You ever had that one kid that really just makes your teeth itch? That just makes your teeth itch. I mean, that one kid that you just don't like right now. That sounds terrible, but it's true. It does happen. Some kids, it's hard. They make it hard for you. But if I can say that out loud to my colleague and I can say, you know what, I don't like this kid. I don't know what to do about it. Just saying that, just having the power to say that to somebody you can trust is enough to wrap your head around and say, oh gosh, I said it. I think I have a better chance with this kid now because I said it. And it's okay. And I have a better chance of actually growing and doing something better.